Where? Oh, Pancho. Where? Nyanga draw Siwa International. When I she done so, I did look the life. I did ask question whether true, the world will end so. I tell you. I mean that she don't go parlor, my picking the take remote control, the press and change the one. Many you want watch on TV, you don't put you don't put cartoon, you don't change the one. I say, hey! So then I mean that I don't first go buy their own television, put out their own room. Oh, see why. I remember in those days where remote control. Let me say your papa don't turn around, so they go buy television with the remote control. Small television, so black and white. Only case where the bill have put television for inside cupboard. Iron. Television in case it dey like safe for World Bank. Yes. Immediately they finish watch am, they cover am, BB lock, television. I remember when my papa they take remote control, he tie am for wrapping, put am for some small bag, zip am, put again for some BB bag, zip and then put am for box, zip and key am. He go losing all that 4 back them, move remote control, come press one thing, take am back, go put am, tie am, remote control. Yes. Television. I remember those days where, oh, Papa God. Because I've been very unfortunate. I come up for that typical abject Paco. Let me say that typical Paco Pekin. Abject poverty. They know my name, my family. Television. Would they for CDC camp? In those days where CDC, they bring television now once in a while. They go put them for inside a CDC hall. That's so people. Black and white television. They show now one film, Charlie Chaplin. Oh! The entire way people start buying television, you see, manager, your papa don't buy television. Or manager, big man, we don't buy television for CDC camp. Hey! Begin they become special. Don't say friend. If you be boy, your papa don't buy television. Oh, can't see gear for your back. Can't see friendship. You need to work nothing again. You get friend the way that they can broke firewood, bring you out. You need to lack only for television where your papa don't buy them. Yes. I remember in those days where your papa don't buy small television, so black and white. For fake capture channel, na problem. You hear some man for outside. He didn't inside. Tall pole and then I saw the controller. They hear some man for inside room. Turn and go right, turn and go right, turn and go right. Yeah, go right, go right, go right. No, bring him back for left, bring him back for left. Go small. No, oh, go back. Yes, small. Hey, hold on for there, no clear. Hold on. The fine stone, you can pin around. Which image? Image is very clear. That's what people they make. You know if you hear sound as people they talk. People they talk now. One. People must my hate the come on television up long. Someone get long nose, long neck. Who? Now so people flop. They watch them. Yes. In those days for television. Oh. When CRTV be been a CRTV, oh Papa God, would she don't so for front television so flop? Would you watch that line? So line they be used to come up first. Line there was some sound for day. Would you watch her for 2 hours? Patiently waiting 2 hours for front television. They want hear CRTV coming. Those days when CRTV was CRTV, you get journalists like Babaran Kono, Denis Epote, Jean Labet Nang, Abel Mbenge, Von Echekie, Njomo Kevin. You get Zachary Coden. You get Auntie Becky Ndive. When CRTV, be na CRTV. Then you want to hear some sound you come out. Pam 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 tan 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 tan. Even you the chop now, who can chop high speed? You can't hang for front television. Then you hear someone, whoop, 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 hit, whoop, whoop. And me can't like that. Tantararan, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Cassie running for can't hang for front television. You won't wake up for morning time, they don't boss hole round your house for night. People can't spy for tele. You hear man declare right for ceiling. For spy for television. Person the one come for my house, can't wear ladder, long ladder, can't put and climb. To go watch television for ceiling, bend down. I tell you, when television be been a television, I grow for Bing and Joe from Bonge. The first film hall be then for Kondo Titi. We be get some grand friend. Where that grand the walk away food from Bing and Joe. That is about 2-3 hours journey. About 2-3 hours, 4 hours journey. Go for Kondo Titi, sleep. Use the money 100 or 200. Watch film, then come back for Bing and Joe. Come build some small hut. Big one so with this raffia palm and this palm leaves there. Put them all round. Then put some man for gate. But they can't pay for go hear film. That means a man they talk film would hear me talk. They would pay now waiting. Chop, you bring cocoa, you bring corn, when your mommy they cook you chop, you need to chop the fish, you need to chop the meat, you can't bring them. You get man, you bring meat, you go look the meat so say a lie. Maybe so your mommy, maybe not so they give you the meat, you don't cut half. Come on go. The people where they pay 5 francs, 10 francs, and then they sit down now very close to the man. I see they talk the film. Yes, in those days. Then the man can graduate. He started making now cartoon film, cartoon cinema. Where you don't boss baby cartoon so tired up for day. Then so a friend they far away. In the point touch. Straight for that cartoon. Then they don't carve people then. Actor, chef bandi, they hold on with the bamboo. To say flop, film, that's so film more tight. Would you watch cartoon? Cartoon the way they don't cover, they hold on so. Then they be known for make sound there for film. Mo chinchula, ha fio, here, chico mean you are. Fio, chico. That's all they holler. Inside people. The man. Life don't change. Life don't change. Life don't change. Life be used to sweet. Life be used to sweet, my brother. The man, massa.